Hello everyone, welcome to Building the Ultimate Matchbox Car Collection. My name is Tyrone and today I want to rip open this. It's a military 5-pack from 2017. I'm particularly interested in the top three. Just move your viewing angle up a little bit. It's a bit better. Top three, in my opinion, are the top three. The mission helicopter, known by most as the Apache, the Jeep, and the Humvee. I think I'll do a separate video on each three, but for now let's rip it open. Trusty butter knife at the ready. Give you a quick look at the back. Artwork is the Humvee. Yeah, let's go. I've coveted this one for quite some time, so it's going to be good to rip it to bits and chuck it over my shoulder. So I'll put all of them off to the side and then I'll split the video. So if you're interested in either the mission helicopter, the Jeep, or the Humvee, I'll stop the camera now and split them as three. So let's focus on this one. This is, well, Matchbox call it the mission helicopter. I call it the Apache because that's basically what it's modelled off. I tried to do a little bit of research on what year of release all of my other ones are, and came up against 38 variants listed, and half of mine were not among the 38 variants listed. But I'll tell you what I do know, and then I'll put everything on a turntable, add some music to it maybe. Let's get funky, and well, you just see what you have in your collection and I'll wonder what I don't have. So these are different castings altogether, same basic thing, but with today's mission helicopter, the rotor blade is much shorter, probably so they could easily fit into 5-packs, whereas the one I know and love is a split rotor blade. What else? The skis are very slightly shorter, but interestingly the new one is heavier, ever so slightly. So this is 1985, 1986 release, and on the new one it's got an acknowledgement to the 85 copyright and 2012, so probably 2013 release. And there are a few minor differences to the metalwork. You see that exhaust at the back. The older one turns upward and the newer one does not, or turns up less if you like, but really nice blue, this one. Gee, that goes well. So oh, that's what I was going to say. In the early 80s, Matchbox brought this one out, and an instant favourite of mine. You can see the little fella in there piloting away. It's got the split rotor blade. Not the best design in the world, but it's more realistic. You would imagine that would actually lift the craft, whereas the one on the right, maybe not. But they're not made to fly, are they? Anyway, so they replaced that one with that one, called it the mission helicopter, and with those things sticking out the nose, we all knew what it was for, and imagination took hold and you destroyed columns of cars, etc. So we'll oh, sorry for keeping on interrupting myself, because I am quite excited to bring you these. I'm quite excited to open these, so we'll get right on. The ones I absolutely do know where they're from and when they're from. 1997 release was this tan one. It's a brand newie to my collection. So there are some merits in doing what they did with that rotor blade. I'm sure that will sort itself out over time, or I'll keep bending it to my ways. Old chassis, better skis, etc. And then I have 2001. They brought this one out from, still calling it Mission Helicopter. They're never going to call this the Apache. Big 93 cents, but it was people's lifetimes ago. Let's get this one open from the Heroic series. Yeah, I like this one. Rotor blades bent from all those years of being cramped up. I like that colour scheme. It's supposed to clip into place, kind of. And happily, usually you only get some things in 5-packs and 10-packs and mission sets and all the rest of it. But here is an old 3-pack with that really cool dark grey. It's police, but it's very military looking. But happily, this one seems to have come out in the singular 2006 release. So I don't have to rip open this 2006 release 3-pack. I can just rip open this one. Just calling it the Chopper. Yeah, same deal, but no biggie. The tail clips in better than the last one. Definitely the same, yeah, same red tint, same everything, that's good. So the 3-pack survives another day. But yeah, I'll put everything else I have on the turntable, and I'll round this video out with a end shot of all of the ones I have. So I'll see you in a bit. So there you have it. The mass fleet of Apache helicopters, as Matchbox would have you believe, the mission helicopter. But that is the oldest in the collection from 1986, and I think that's the last one they did, or close to the last one they did. Mixed it up a bit with a funny little rotor blade, heavier casting, more solid casting in my view. They should have continued it, but maybe there wasn't much popularity around military stuff after 2017-ish. People swung to the left wildly and we lost all the fun. And a couple of things that were not on the wiki fandom thing was this Polizei. This came out of a Polizei gift set, and a few others I couldn't spot, but it is part of the fun of collecting, I suppose, is not quite knowing what you don't have and searching it out regardless, and that thrill of finding something you didn't know existed, but being able to get hold of it and adding it to your collection. So, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.